Hi everyone and welcome a new video. Today we are going to discover together the top 5 most popular Certiproof certifications or badges that you can find it easily via Credly site. So let's start first of all by introducing Certiproof. Certiproof is a globally recognized certification body. It has a partner community with over 900 training companies worldwide and more than 800,000 certified professionals who have mainly validated their knowledge in agile practices in programs such as Scrum, DevOps, design thinking, etc. For more than 5 years, it has worked on building the community, working in collaboration and co-creating knowledge in alliance with our partners and subject matter experts. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the list of the most popular Certiproof badges. So let's start by number 5. Okay, number 5 is with the name Scrum Master Professional Certificate. Earners of the Scrum Master Professional Certificate will get a general overview and understanding of Scrum theory, practices, and rules with the ability to apply them to all industries. They will be able to demonstrate their knowledge and comprehension of agile mindset and values, continuous improvement, team leadership, and performance, facilitate Scrum events, and remove impediments as required. So the certification or the badge is paid. Badge holders have passed the multiple choice exam, scoring a minimum of 32 questions of out of 40 questions. 80%. The exam is a closed book exam lasting 60 minutes. Okay. In number four, we have this one, which is a remote work and virtual collaboration professional certificate. Earners of the professional certificate of remote working and virtual collaboration are aware and very attentive to the practices, tools, and techniques accepted worldwide to perform remote working. Being aware that the remote experience can be managed in a better way and with a high degree of sustainability. They have the knowledge of the best practices for productive and successful remote working. So the level of this certification is foundational. The time of passing or preparing for this badge or certification is ours. Okay, so earning criteria: complete the remote working and the virtual collaboration course, self-study or workshop, achieve a mastery score of 60% or better on the assessment. Badge holders have passed a multiple choice exam with a minimum score of 24 questions out of 40 questions, 60%. The exam is a closed book exam that lasts 60 minutes. Okay. Now let's pass to number 3, which with the name Cybersecurity Foundation Professional Certificate. The holder of this badge is validated his skill and knowledge in cybersecurity foundation, fundamentals, understanding key principles and concepts such as risk management, human factor, privacy and online rights, malware and attack technology, adverse behavior, security operations, and incident management using source the cybersecurity body of knowledge. Okay, so earning criteria, badge holders have passed multiple choice exam scoring a minimum of 32 questions out of 40 questions. 80% should be the minimum of passing the score should be 80% of 100% of all the questions of the close booked exam, which is last 40 minutes. Okay, the cost is paid in this time. Okay, so let's pass now to number 2 in our list, lifelong learning. Okay, so lifelong learning earners with this badge have proven their unwavering commitment to lifelong learning, vitally important in today's ever-changing and expanding digital world. It also identifies the qualities of an open-minded, disciplined, and constantly evolving mind capable of using and contributing its knowledge to develop a more equal and both a better world. Okay, the time is once, the cost is free. Earning criteria, be a Certiproof certification candidate, be continuous and focused learner, identify themselves with the concept of learning, lifelong learning, genuinely believe and identify with the concept that knowledge and education can and should change the world, want to boost their professional growth. Okay, and finally in our list, number 1, the most popular Certiproof badge in our list, which is Certiproof badge, Scrum Foundation professional certificate. Scrum Foundation professional certificate holders have developed the entry-level skills in Scrum that endorses their fundamental knowledge in this framework. They have demonstrated an understanding of the empirical Scrum pillars of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Their primary focus is on the work of the sprint to make the best possible progress toward these goals. Okay, so the cost is free, is foundational. I advise everyone to pass this one because it's really interested, like the others also. All of them are interested certifications. Okay, earning criteria, badge holders have passed multiple choice exam. 32, the minimum of the questions should be more than 32 out of 40. The exam is a closed book exam lasting 60 minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, we discovered together the list of the top 5 most popular Certiproof badges or certification that you can find it easily via Credly site. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment as a feedback, and tell us what you want to see in next videos. Also, don't forget to click on the like button, notification button, and subscribe button to be updated. I will be generating more videos about certifications and also BI projects and content. Thanks all for watching this video. I hope that you like it. See you in next videos and bye. See you.